Jatend piny William Ruto ogolo chik mondo riembe tich apisas manochiwo lesen mar tich ne kambi mar gas manyo muoche kar dak mamradi mantiere Mbakasi. Kanolose kaunti ma Kakamega odiochieng' manyoro, jatend piny owacho ni kambino notuon lesen mar tich kaluwore ni kama ne okete kambino ne chiegni kama ji odakie. Openjre kama kambino noyude lesen mayienegi dhi nyime gi tijegi. Osiemo jotij sirkal duto matimo timbe mag mibadhi.
The 3D render for the outline of them.
The fellows, the government officials who issued licenses for gas installations in residential areas when it was very clear that it was the wrong thing to do, but because of incompetence and corruption, they issued licenses. Today we have injuries, we have Kenyans who have died. Those fellows who are involved in this, the ministry must immediately take action against them, and they must be dismissed and they must be prosecuted for what the crimes they have committed.